Bitcoin US dollar weekly chart. We can see that on the weekly chart we are having a tail here. That means that there are a lot of sellers in the markets. On the daily charts, things went totally wild yesterday, and we can see here that yesterday we had a big reversal bar here on the daily charts. I was using the word madness in my video yesterday because I thought this move yesterday was madness. You know, I thought this was really. I was thinking it was euphoria. I was thinking this was totally insane, and indeed, you know, I said, yeah, the trend is your friend until it ends, and I think now the trend is coming to a pause now, to be honest. I think everybody knows that, and I think we're going to retrace. Now the question will be how far will we retrace? I don't know. Let's have a look at the chart and let's see what the chart says instead of trying to predict and make some crazy future projection. Let's see what the chart says. Okay, so yesterday we had this climax here, went down, went up, went down, and now we're forming some kind of triangle here, as you can see, a triangle. Okay, so do I think we'll continue up from now on? I don't think so, to be honest. I think we're going to try to break out again, but I've seen many charts, and when we have this kind of thing here after a fantastic run like this, and we have this 8 times out of 10 we have a big retracement after that, and we can put doji after doji after doji here for a week or two. That's possible. We can go sideways and then bang, go down. But at this stage, I would say that we can consider that we are in retracement mode. We are in the pullback is imminent. And well, the pullback started because we went to almost 12,000 and then we're retracing. And look, this is, don't buy into the hype and into the Bitcoin is crashing, etc., etc., etc. I mean, this is just pure technical analysis. This is just doing what the market does all the time. Okay, so this is probably going to retrace from what I see on the chart. Yesterday, actually, I was very bullish on Bitcoin. Why? Because the trend is your friend until it ends, you know. And I need to see evidence that we have a retracement. Okay, so now I have evidence that we are in correction mode. So you know, that's what we get. That's what we have. And on the 30-minute chart, you can see we closed below the 200 moving average, and I think we'll go lower. That's what I see. That's what I see on the chart. You know, can we test higher? Yes, we can. Can test higher, but I think in the next days and we are in retracement mode. That's what I see. On the Ethereum, yesterday I was still very bullish on the Ethereum. This is the weekly chart, by the way, and now I changed my mind. I think as a trader, you need to be able to change your mind when you have evidence of things. Yesterday, the evidence was that we were breaking out of the $500 level, and we were breaking out, yes. But now, boom, oh my God, the market changes mind. So I also changed my mind, okay? So what I see now is that we're in retracement mode. I think on the daily charts, we can go back all the way in this area. That is possible. I think we can break the $400 level and go back. But at this point in time, I think it would be premature to buy the market on Ethereum. I wouldn't buy that. No. I think it's too early. I think we need to retrace a little bit more, at least to this moving average. But I think I think we can retrace more. I want to tell you a little story, if you can bear with me a few minutes. One time I was in a trade and it was the exact same pattern here, okay? So I was long and I was buying the dips. It's not on this chart, but it was on another instrument. I was buying the dips, buying the dips, buying the dips. Then we had this pattern here and I bought more here, okay? And then in a few minutes the market did exactly this and I held my position. And I thought, you know what? The market is strong, you know, and it will keep going higher. And this ended up being the biggest loss, one of the biggest losses I had in my life, because I held on, because I was bullish, yeah. But the market did exactly this. Well, the market and then the market continue lower. Well, will the market do that again? It's not guaranteed, but what I've seen and from my experience, when the market puts something like this here, you know, so totally reverse all of this, I think we can have a second leg lower. I think we can do this, okay? So this, I think we can do this. This is a little trick that I show you here. And I think we can go here. I think we can do that. Okay, this is a little trick I'm showing you. Measure move. I think we'll do probably that. Okay. So I'm not analyzing Bitcoin Cash. So if some of you guys want me to analyze it, I will do it. But I think Litecoin is more popular. So from now on, I will analyze this one. And here, what can we see on Litecoin? So every time on Litecoin, we have a top. We have like euphoria, euphoria, down, euphoria, down, euphoria, down, euphoria, euphoria, down, euphoria. What do you think? I think down. I think we go back here. I think we can go back to 70 or 60. That's what I think on the weekly chart. Litecoin. Euphoria, down, euphoria, down, euphoria, down, euphoria, down, euphoria, down, euphoria, down, euphoria, up. I think no, I think we go down. Okay, this is not guaranteed, by the way. If anything can happen, we can happily continue higher, but history tells me that whenever we have euphoria, we go down. Okay, 4-hour charts. Not much more information here. I think is ugly. This is very ugly, and I think there is more down to come. I think once we break down we break those moving average, all hell will break loose on this Litecoin. 30-minute charts. Yeah, I think the $80 is really the line in the sand. I mean, once we break $80, we'll see more down. We might, by the way, retest the $90 level and those moving average. I think we can go a little bit higher, but I think things look not so good for the Litecoin at this moment. I think we'll retrace more, and this is especially based on this, you know. Look at this. Okay, that's it for today. If you have feedbacks, questions, or comments, or if you just want to say that you love my analysis, please do. And I see you next time. Bye bye.